In this video, I'm going to show you how to view all uploaded files in Claude step by step. If you've ever uploaded documents, images, or other files and wanted to find them again later, this is the easiest way to do it. This is really helpful if you're trying to keep track of what you've shared with Claude, review old uploads, or simply check your data inside the app. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or your account name there. Click on that to open your account options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into Claude's main settings panel where you can adjust your account and privacy preferences. Next, on the left side menu, click Privacy. This is the section that controls data, safety, and account-related information. After that, scroll down until you find the Your Data section. This area is where Claude keeps options related to the information connected to your account. Under that section, you should see an option for uploaded files. Right next to it, click Manage. Once you click Manage, Claude will show you the list of uploaded files associated with your account, so you can review what has been uploaded and manage it from there. And that's it now, you know exactly how to view all uploaded files in Claude. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.